Story. Centuries ago in the heartland of Africa, in a vibrant village known as Abake, there lived an old, wise blacksmith named Katunga. A man whose wisdom was supposedly as vast as the African plains, and whose heart was as warm as the midday sun. Abake was a bustling place where the people went about their daily chores as the sun kissed the reddish-brown roofs of their mud and thatched houses. Children played boisterously in the dusty streets while women gathered by the stream, filling their clay pots with clear water, their laughter echoing through the valley. The men were skilled blacksmiths, just like Katunga, molding iron into tools for farming and weapons for hunting. One breezy afternoon, the tranquility in the village was disrupted by the unexpected arrival of a horde of warriors from a rival tribe. They stood tall with large, muscular frames and faces masked in an array of fearsome tribal paint. Their leader Nonu declared, "We challenge Abake to a duel. The victor shall claim both lands." The village of Abake was thrown into chaos. Despair was written on the faces of the villagers, who knew they could not hope to win against such powerful warriors. Seeing their despair, Katunga beckoned the villagers. "Listen and remember, strength is not measured by the might of one's arm, but the unity observed amongst one's kind." Motivated by the old man's words, the villagers decided to confront their adversaries, not with spears and arrows, but with love, unity, and wisdom. They crafted a magnificent, big drum, known as ngoma in local parlance. The drum was beautifully carved with symbols depicting unity, and its rhythm echoed across the villages, bringing with it a captivating energy. When the day of the duel came, instead of brandishing weapons, the villagers of Abake started beating the huge ngoma. The drumming was rhythmic, and the air vibrated with energy and unity. The warriors of Nonu's tribe, also mesmerized by the sound, laid down their weapons, and one by one, joined in the dance with the villagers. As Nonu watched his warriors dancing and laughing with the villagers, he felt a strange sense of peace and camaraderie. Witnessing the atmosphere of unity and peace, Nonu declared to his tribe, "Abake has won. This is not a defeat, it's an enlightenment." He then turned to Katunga and said, "Your wisdom has taught us a greater lesson. We challenged you for the land, but we found friendship instead. From enemies, we are now brethren, and our tribes will henceforth share our lands in peace." And so, the village of Abake did not lose their land but gained another tribe as friends. Unity had indeed triumphed over brute force. From that day forward, the drumbeat echoed around the combined villages at every sundawn, a powerful symbol of unity, love, and wisdom. The moral of the story is the power of unity and wisdom. It is not always might and power that prevails, but unity, love, and wisdom, a real reflection of an African value. Subscribe for more true African success stories. Support the channel to keep this knowledge alive.